Today I baked up a batch of lava cakes with my Ramekins. So they're still a little hot after just pulling them out of the oven, but I kind of wanted to give you an idea. I did put mine in a 6-cup muffin tin to bake them, or you could put them on a cookie sheet to keep them the same level. Now I'm just going to do like they did on the cruise and either just put a drop of ice cream on top of the Ramkin, or I'm actually just going to scoop it out into the bowl. And I did not grease these prior to putting my lava cake mix in. I kind of wanted to just see if they were nonstick, and they were not, but it didn't stick very much inside the Remkin, as you can see. So, and they washed up really well. I have these super cool little loofah scrubbies, and they scrubbed the brownie mix right off the Remkins without having to worry about scratching them. So now for a couple dollops of ice cream, and here we go. Dessert is all done. These Remkins were super cute and perfect for doing fancy little desserts like this.